you or your children will be very intelligent, both academic, after doing this spiritual work. This is a very powerful spiritual work that will be very helpful to you and your children. If your children is finding it so hard to cope in school, maybe you or your children are always failing your exam and you're thinking maybe they are not intelligent, okay? Maybe they have some mental retardation, meaning they are not okay mentally, or you think that they are not very academic, they don't perform excellently in their studies. This spiritual work is for you. After this spiritual work, you or your children will be very intelligent, you'll be very academic after doing this. If you can follow the instructions that I'm going to give you in this video, and if you can get the ingredients, they are natural ingredients. If you can get them, then they will work for you. Okay, by the grace of God, they will work for you. All right, my name is Precious. You're welcome to my channel if you are new here. On this channel, I make spiritual videos for very spiritual people, people that are mature, people that are serious about solving their spiritual problems. I make videos for people that want to stop shame, disappointment, regret, and all their life problems. I make videos for people that want to attract money, love, and all their heart desires. If you are interested in any of these, I want to join this big family. We are over 60,000 family members. That's a lot. You want to join this big family? What you would do for me is press this red button over there and turn on the notification bell. Make sure you ring the bell so that you can always get my videos every single time. All right, without taking much of your time, let's get this video started. You will be very intelligent. Your children will be very intelligent academically after doing this. Okay? What you will get from me is simple. You may even have these things in your house as I speak, but if you don't have them, you can always get them. What are we going to need? We will need original honey. Original honey. That's one ingredient. Then the second ingredient that we will need is black seed powder. This black seed powder is over there. Okay, check it up there. If you don't know what it is, please try and Google about it. Okay, and original honey is over there. These are very important. Please, you need to get original honey, and you have to get the black seed. They are very important. If you don't get the original honey, this spiritual work may not work for you, and I want it to work for you. Please try and get original honey and get black seed powder. These ingredients are very powerful. They have a lot of spiritual benefits, many benefits to mention. They help our mental health. They work with the brain to make sure that your brain work effectively, to make sure that it makes you very intelligent, okay, to make sure that you excel academically in your studies. They are very powerful. If you have a child that is very slow mentally, you are very slow, please use this spiritual work. If you or your children are slow mentally, maybe they have mental problem, maybe they don't perform well in their studies, they fail their exams, they don't do good in school, use this spiritual work. So once you get these ingredients ready, get yourself a bowl or a container, something that has a cover on it. It may be a glass jar, it may be a bowl that has a cover, it may be a plastic container that has a cover on it. So once you get that ready, make sure you get half a cup, half cup of original honey. Pour it in the bowl and get your black seed, about 7 tablespoons of black seed powder. Add it to the honey and please mix it up very well. You want to make sure you mix it up very well so that everything is all mixed. The honey and the black seed, you mix them up very well. After that, you have to take it and keep it outside for 24 hours. The reason why you have to keep it outside for 24 hours is you want to make sure that it stays outside for 24 hours so that it becomes very powerful, so that it becomes very spiritual, so that it is ready to do the spiritual work that is meant to do. You want it to increase its power, because when it stays under the moon overnight, okay, it becomes so powerful, because now it becomes much more natural. It becomes more energetic because it's going to release all its energy into the ingredient. That's how powerful it is. That's the secret. So after 24 hours, you want to bring it inside, then it is ready to use. It's no longer ordinary ingredient that way. So what you would do is this. When you start using this is how to use it. So you will make sure you keep it. After that, you can cover it. Please, when you leave it outside, don't cover it so that it can release its energy into it. Don't cover it. Okay? If you're thinking you're living in a place where it is not safe, you can leave it on your window. Okay? The idea is to make sure that the energy of the moon releases its energy, its power into this ingredient. So what you will do is to use it. If your children is below 18 years, okay, give the kid 1 tablespoon in the morning before food and 1 tablespoon before bedtime. That's for children below 18 years. But if the person is over 18 years, for you or an adult, you have to take 2 tablespoons before food in the morning and 2 tablespoons before bed at night. That's the ingredient. That's how you will use it. So, and by the power in the mighty name of God, it will work for you. You will see that your kid will be very intelligent. They will excel academically after that. They will be passing their exams, and they will be doing well, and you will be happy eventually. Even the same thing with you. Go right ahead and do this. And I'm sure that this video is very helpful. If it is helpful, please like this video, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Okay, encourage me by watching this video. Try these tips, okay, and come and tell me what happened afterwards. You have to be doing this every single day until you finish the ingredient. In fact, after this, you will want to even prepare another one so that you can continue to use it. So for more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. They will definitely help your life. Okay, and I'm going to see you in my next video. I'm sure you know I love you, and I know that you love me too. All right, see you. Bye bye.